Alright, in this video I'm going to go ahead and connect these up, and it's going to make a little spark. Alright, let's make sure they're correct. Black with black and red with red. We don't want this to explode on me. Come on. Go. Alright, so now that that's on, you will be able to see on my remote everything starts up. And what you're going to get is left and right, and that's for the landing gear. This is going to be the throttle, but this doesn't activate unless I press this button here. Okay, as you can see here, I'm not sure if I connected it correctly because it seems to be going backwards. So I'll have to fix that, but you'll be able to see real quick that the rest of the plane works. You have up and down, and you have the two that go opposite for left and right. And that's where we are. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.